Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Nokia T21 with a laptop or PC for the file transfer. And to do this, we'll need to get the USB-C to any port that you have on your PC. In this case I have USB, so let's connect it with the laptop. Then use the USB-C end on your tablet. And the tablet should start charging. If not, let's unlock it. And you can see on the bottom charging with the USB. Reveal it and tap on it. Here select the media let's go for media device MTP file transfer. And now open any file manager on your PC or laptop. Enter this PC. And here you can see Nokia T21, enter it, then go for internal storage. From here you can copy and paste any type of files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.